Set to go. Stand by. Good luck on your winner take all tickets. Gates open, they're often racing as expected. Heart and Soul didn't waste time at the beginning, running Ori outside Leather King. In between runners comes Amazing Call, running by Little Sultry Julia. Right as rain, then comes runner number 3, and that is Kaligayahan, heading towards the 900-meter fall with Heart and Soul, the leader by about 3 lengths. Amazing Call in second. Running in between runners comes runner number 5, that is Right as Rain, racing Ori outside comes Leather King, Sultry Julia, Kaligayahan. Nearing the far turn, Heart and Soul this time by about 2 lengths. Getting closer now in second is the stablemate, and that is Right as Rain. Leather King is still in third, running by the fourth comes Sultry Julia. And as they turn for home, Heart and Soul this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside comes Right as Rain, running by the comes Sultry Julia. Racing Ori outside, Olympic Gold, Leather King, and down the stretch they come. Right as Rain by only a length. In between runners now is Olympic Gold, Sultry Julia. Entering the finish line, the long gray galloper, Right as Rain, Olympic Gold, Sultry Julia, close, Waboda King, Heart and Soul, Amazing Call.